kidding me? Please come fast. I have a very limited amount of battery. One's here. This one.
Yeah, sure.
Oh wow, oh wow, this is beautiful. Alright, here we go. What the flip? Oh. This thing is gorgeous. Oh. I love how this side is not even like. We're gonna get the other one because that one's even worse. That one's low in oil. So you can go up to 5. This is at the Red Roof Plus in Westbury. It's not here, so we're gonna have to wait for it. Look at the light. So we gotta do this one now. This one is the one that has, that one's insanely low in oil. It could potentially be really bad. I know it starts up really rough. I haven't rode it yet, but I've heard it. I was charging my phone. Now these things really need to hurry up because I want to take 2 rides on this right one. And it's not helping at this one. It's taking 10 billion years to show up. Oh, please don't tell me the same one's coming back. Good. As usual, you got your very beautiful buttons. All right, ready to go up to 5? Get ready. That was nothing. We'll probably only take 1 ride on this one just because it's kind of underwhelming. The startup was pretty bad, so that's enough to give it away. Usually when I have low in oil elevators, I usually take 2 rides, but my phone is dying, so I don't have time for this. Very beautiful button panel. Leveling. Yeah. You know what? Screw it. One more time. Maybe it will be a lot worse. Alright, here we go. It was slightly worse that time. All right, down we go. Is your indicator? Bruh. This is car number 2. Oh my god, it's only held on by tape. Interesting, they had the phone built into the panel like that. You rarely see that on MTs. At least this elevator has the red roof theme to it, so I'll give it a plus. But it's definitely seen better days. Wait, let's see if we can hear the startup from out here. This is what I've been hearing. You ready? Yeah, it doesn't do it on the second floor. All right, that's it.